Hello everybody, welcome back. I hope you're doing well. We're in the kitchen again today. It's been a while, a couple of months, and it's also been 2 years almost since we've done a giant food. So we're going to go big today. So hit that jingle. So here we have everything we could possibly need. A nice bowl. Oh, there's one thing I haven't gotten out the cupboards. That looks a bit dirty. Does that look dirty to you? We haven't got anything to mix it with. Spatula. I need a spoon. We'll use this. Right, so first of all, what do we need? We need 100 grams of unsalted butter. Excuse you. Grams of butter, is that 100? Nope. If it doesn't work, I'll be upset, but it is going to work. So put that in there. Get that. 175 grams of sugar. A lot of sugar. Shove that in the bowl. Right. Now we've got to mush that together. Use a spoon, but I might just use my fingers, because how are you supposed to do it with a spoon? I mean, look at that. Might have to get my Danny's in. Have a look, a nice smooth sugary butter paste. And now we have got to add 1 large egg. I've got these eggs, look, they're white eggs. They're whiter than an English tourist. Look at that. White eggs come from white hens, brown eggs come from brown hens. That's the only difference. Anyway, we've got to have one of those. Look at that. Has it been fertilised? Where's the little brown dot thing? I can't see it. 200 grams. Straight from mill. If you're watching this in America and you're asking me how many cups, get your cups out of here. We don't do cups, we do proper measurements in grams. Look at that, the white powder, not that white powder. And now we gotta do a little bit of mixing. And there we have it. Look, I gave up the spoon and got me Danny's in. Go. Hopefully that's enough. I don't think that's going to be enough. We might have to do another batch. But now we've got to roll it out into the shape of a Jammie Dodger. So as Limp Bizkit said, let's get rolling, 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 rolling. That's a very old reference. To do the top layer, because it ain't going to be enough. See about the size of it. Oh yeah, look at that. Look at that. Perfection. Oh yeah. Right. Now you're saying to me, but Jammie Dodgers are not circular like that. And you're right, they're not. So we're going to have to try and get the little things in around the side. So it's not very round. So I just had trouble getting it off the surface. But there is the base. Hopefully it'll be alright. And I'll try and make the top one a bit rounder. And we've also got to do the love heart in the middle. So I'll just get this in the oven, and then I'm going to mix up another batch, and then we'll do all the decoration on the top. So here it is. Look, oh, it's done. I need to try and get that off the tray now without breaking it. And put it on my cooling rack. So if I do that and flip it, it should work, shouldn't it? Has it worked? No. Damn it. So we're back and it hasn't gone quite to plan. It's kind of fallen apart a little bit. But it tastes nice. Hopefully, when the top layer goes on, you won't even notice. And next time I'll butter up the tray a little bit better. So we've got the second one on the tray. We're just going to have to, just got to do the design now. I've got an actual Jammie dodger here. I don't think mine's going to look as nice as that, but I'm optimistic. So just got to cut the heart out. Look at that. And now we've got to do all the other decorations on the top. I don't know how I'm going to do it, but I've got this, and I'll see you in a few minutes if all goes to plan. Oh, so I've finally finished. That looks quite cool, doesn't it? Look back when the jam's in the middle. Hopefully when I get it out of the oven it still looks like that, and we can do something with that base. Right, get this cooking and then we'll assemble it and have our giant Jammie dodger. Something terrible has happened, everyone. Not only have I burnt my fingers, but it's lost the definition. I mean, you can see it slightly. Oh, maybe if I cut around that heart a bit to make that a little bit more pronounced. Oh, disappointed. But we'll see how it goes together in a minute. You can see I've got the base ready, just fits on that plate. So I've swapped them over because it's time to get jamming. So put on your Bob Marley and let's go. This is strawberry, but Jammie Dodgers is usually made with raspberry jam. You can get blackcurrant ones as well, I think, and there might be some other flavours. Not sure, but we gotta spread it. Want lots of jam on to take away the bitterness of disappointment. Right. Right, now all I've got to do is get the top on that, which is there. I might let it cool down a bit first and then it will go a bit harder, won't it? Maybe. Right, so it's the moment of truth. I've managed to get this off, but there's a few cracks around the side, look, and I've got to try and get that onto there. What if I try and, or shall I just go for it? Oh, it's going to fall apart, isn't it? No. Oh. Oh. Unless, I've got a better plan. I'll put that on there. Like that. And then I'll do that, which puts it right side up. And then, hopefully I can slide it off the plate onto top of it. Yeah. Oh yeah. There we have it, look, from this little thing to that big thing. Oh, it's turned out not too bad. Whoa, when it's sliding off the plate. But yeah, you can just about see the bits and stuff on the top. And you can't see the mess underneath. So I think that is a win, but we've got to taste it now, so let me cut into it and give you my opinion, which counts for nothing. So here it is, look, Jammie Dodger. I think the top bit's a bit thicker than the bottom bit, but it's falling apart, but all crunchy. Very buttery and tastes like them cookies you get at the supermarkets. Oh, and the sweetness of the jam. I'll be enjoying this for the next couple of weeks. And if you've enjoyed this video, I have lots of other giant food videos. I might even make a playlist, and I'll link some at the end of this video for you to enjoy. Hope that's not made you too hungry, but I'll see you next time. Take care of yourselves, stay safe out there, cheery bye.